I mean, are you happy first of all, with your entire split surgeon?
There's one thing which I feel which is unfair to me is, but still people are like, "तू उससे sympathy ले रही." Why did they not allow me and Gaurish to play together? जितना भी उन्होंने बोला बहनचारा नहीं चलेगा, but bro, this बहनचारा is only working.
कि Gullu was also a deserving winner, you think?
Splits Villa का नाम निकाल के Splits तारा ही कर देते भाई तुम.
When you took an exit, उसके बाद में Gaurish was there. उसके बाद में पीछे, I mean, obviously, he didn't take that much of standing as he could have.
Do you care about your friends or your connections staying in the show?
The date session, with Akansha.
He barely came back in 30 minutes.
Everyone knows it.
Like, everybody was just using everybody for the game.
Ah, okay.
Because allegations are on you.
Yes.
Just fucking answer it and leave that place.
Yeah.
Speak about your own shit. Because what, are you like fake? Everybody knows that you're fake, bro. A friend to all is a friend to none. बेचारे को ये कैन में पैक करके रखा है. जब बोलूं जीनी की तरह बाहर आना तब तक बाहर मत आना.
He influenced the season.
क्या?
He influenced the season.
Yeah.
But do you think कि जैसे Splitsvilla के just बाद में like थोड़ा जो fame होता है वो धीरे-धीरे stagnant होने लग जाता है.
Yeah, it is.
Kyra and Gullu have unfollowed each other, after songs, videos, and all that.
I know the stories from both sides.
Obviously, like we know that kind of scripted on whatever that happened.
Hello.
What's up, everyone? Welcome to the Lean Guy Show. My name is Amal, and guess who do we have today? So finally, we have Zala. Go ahead. What's up, bro?
I'm good. How are you?
All good. Yeah, so excited to see you.
Finally, after इतना सारा हमने मेहनत किया कि मैं आऊँगी. But I was not well last time for sure.
Yeah.
And I'm finally here, so I'm looking forward to having the best time.
Man, same here.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, genuinely. I mean, I saw your journey in Splitsvilla. And like, नहीं. यार अपने टाइप की बंदी है मतलब कहते हैं कि like one of the major thing that got related with me like it was because कि you were in a corporate background and वहाँ से अचानक से वहाँ पे चले गए and how was it like how's your journey been after Splitsvilla?
So after Splitsvilla, I'll actually start before Splitsvilla. So I started working when I was 17 or 18 because of the pandemic, what happened, COVID. I had to support my family and I'm an only child, like I'm a single child.
Okay.
So it's me, my mom and dad.
Oh wow.
So then I realized, no, it's time I'm studying also. It's better to start working. At least I'll give some amount to my family. Yeah. That's better. And then धीरे-धीरे करते-करते I was still studying and COVID के time तो exams online थी. कौन पढ़ता था? सीधा copy paste जो answer. So that's the scene. And then I was like, let's not leave that job. But still I left. I was into BPO first.
Okay.
I started with Concentrix.
Oh wow! I have worked with Concentrix.
I was into Byju's.
Okay.
So the clients were US and then I shifted to Australia. And then later on, I went to Mahindra. I was working with Mahindra for more than 3.5 years.
Tech Mahindra.
Yeah. And before leaving the job also, I was at a very good stage. And then I left my job on 4th or 5th of November and I went for the show on 8th November.
Wow.
So I gave my spot resignation there. So I was side by side while I was working, I was doing modeling as well because that's my main thing. Because even जब बचपन में I used to do modeling because my dad's a designer. So he put me into contracts for a year. So I was very tiny. I was walking the ramp, wearing those clothes. So that was something which made me realize, oh, I need camera. I want to be in front of the camera, not behind the camera or somebody who just works 9 to 5. That's on me. So तभी से लेकर journey शुरू हुई. I was into ads. I was a child artist. Did a serial as well. Wow. And then I'm a trained classical Bharatanatyam dancer because So उसके साथ I realized, oh, I'm getting my expressions also. I'm getting everything which I want to, like becoming an artist.
Yeah.
So that was the journey which made me realize because my parents are supportive as core touchwood. I don't know. I must have done something better in my past lives because my parents, be it my clothing or anything, they are the one who tell me, oh Zalak, if this is the scene, you should have done that. So this is the way they tell me ki, they are supportive to the core, be it anybody in my family. Yeah. Like even my uncle, aunt, or my grandparents. But yeah, that's the scene. And then there was like the production house we contacted, and my friend was supposed to go last year, and he told me कि मैं forward कर रहा हूँ तेरा profile अगर जाना हो तो. I said, bro, I'm either way doing modeling with like 4,000, 5,000 followers. This might be a kickstart for me, at least first ladder. And then I gave the audition, I was selected and I called. So basically मैं office से घर आई थी. अच्छा. And then I was sleeping at that point because I had to go to the gym around 5. So I was sleeping and somebody called me. Hello Zalak, we're from this production house. I'm like, yeah, what is this about? And she's like, it's about Splitsvilla. Are you selected? I said, 1 second. Let me just wash my face. Am I going on the show? Tell me that. She's like, yeah, you're going on the show. I was like, oh, okay. Fuck. It is for real. And then I realized, oh shit, मैं अब office में कैसे बताऊँ?
What happened in the audition actually? How was it?
So it's just पहले तो वो normal audition which you give your 2-minute का video saying everything about you. There are 5 things like who are you as a person, your traits, your personality, your hobbies, and what are you looking for a guy? These are the questions. Like if obviously it's a dating show. And then I gave that. उसके बाद तो जैसे ही with that we got selected. After that they call you for a personal interview.
Okay.
Like one-on-one with the whole channel.
Yeah.
So that was there for like what 20-25 minutes. तो मैं तो मुंबई में से मुंबई में जाके आई थी.
People travel all the way from Delhi for that
भाई,
audition.
Thank God मैं मुंबई में हूँ. And then that happened. After that, they tell you we'll wait for a while. We'll let you know if you're selected because we've got a number of obviously auditions. And then finally they give me a call. I told my mom and my uncle aunt were sitting outside. I just could not like. So मेरे घर पे ऐसा है कि जब तक वो चीज़ कंफर्म नहीं होती ना वो हम तीनों में ही घूमती रहेगी.
Okay.
Because मुझे या तो I have like a myth or something कि मुझे नज़र लगती है. मुझे नज़र लगती ही है बहुत.
Okay.
मैं किसी को बोल दूँ ना कि भाई मेरा ये चीज़ चल रहा है वो नहीं होगा. पता नहीं किसी की तो बुरी नज़र लगी है मुझ पे. Guarantee there's somebody. But that's why I told my mom. So mom's like don't tell to anybody. And then office गई. Office जाके मैंने उनको मेरे ऑफिस के एक्चुअली एवरी 30th अक्टूबर को ना पार्टी होती है. नॉट अ पार्टी लाइक इट्स काइंड ऑफ अवार्ड थिंगी व्हिच वी हैव. So my clients come from Australia, so I have to be a part of it. Like by hook or by crook, I have to be there.
Okay.
ऐसा because I was like there. So मैंने सोचा अभी तो मुझे पता है मैं अभी नहीं रुइन करूँगी, मुझे पार्टी करने नहीं देंगे. जो फ्री का सब मिल रहा है वो भी ले लेंगे मुझसे. So it's better I just keep it to myself for a while. Then I went to the office a day or two. Then I told my leader that listen, I want to talk to you. I told her come inside the like we have a room. So I told her just come there and मैंने चुपके से मैं रोना चालू कर. You know I've cried the whole show, bro.
Yeah.
The whole show I've cried. I'm a cry baby. I don't know why. It's just I'm sad, happy, upset, angry. I'll just cry. So I was happy and sad together. So I started crying. She's like, why are you crying? कुछ हुआ है क्या घर पे ऐसे ऐसे? I don't know, bro. I have to leave office. She's like, 1 second, what? Then I told her everything. I told her just keep it to yourself. Do not tell to anybody. I spoke to my manager. Everything was sorted with the HR. And then I went on the show. So here I am after the show.
And what was their reaction, when you told her that?
Yeah, they were super happy because they have always, my manager at least I can say that he's somebody who supported me since my day one. Like he was the one who took my interview even in office.
Wow.
So he knows, he's seen my journey because जब भी मुझे कोई शूट होता था I used to just tell him. मैं हायरार्की फॉलो ही नहीं करती थी. मैं सीधा उनको मैसेज करती थी सुनो मेरा शूट है मैं जल्दी जा सकती हूँ. And he always wanted to see me like in front of the cameras, like always.
Yeah.
So he was the one who always made sure that Zalak is doing something else also in her life, not just this.
Yeah.
Because he had that faith in me.
Yeah.
So I was blessed with the best I can.
At home as well as in the office, that worked out pretty well.
Luckily,
yeah. So probably I think amongst all the other Splitsvilla contestants, everyone has a different journey, but I think your one is more relatable, through the middle class wala thing.
Yeah, I still am saying that because coming from middle class background, giving that life to your family, it's another achievement.
Yeah.
Bro. Because see, I have goosebumps. It's just because whatever they've done. My mom is from Gujarat, my dad is from here.
Oh.
So she's also like sacrificed a lot of things. She wanted to pursue something else, but she got married at 21 and she could not work. Then she started working again, no doubt. But what she wanted to do, she could not do it. So it's better for me to work my ass off so that I give them the life which they always have dreamt of for this scene.
True.
So that's my main goal, I feel.
Now they must be really proud of you, what you have done. Have they seen your entire journey?
Yeah, my father did not watch all the episodes. Okay. Initially, मुझे बताने के लिए हाँ मैं देख रहा हूँ. But my father, somebody, even जब मैं audition देने जाती थी ना, मैं हमेशा mom लेके जाती थी. My dad's a little perfectionist.
अच्छा, okay.
So I know कि वो मुझे टोकेंगे कि ये नहीं सही है, ये सही है.
तो खराब हो जाएगा.
So yeah, so I feel I would not get that. But obviously, मैं अगर office भी जा रही हूँ, be it 6 o'clock also, I will wake him up. This is what I'm wearing. Is this going with that? Is this going with this? And then, unless until he does not confirm it, I would not leave my house.
Wow.
Today also, I told him, is this going with these pants or should I change it? He's like, no, just wear it.
That's so sweet, yeah?
Yeah, so that's there. So I have a different equation with my mom and my dad. I cannot decide मैं किससे ज़्यादा close हूँ, but my mom is somebody who knows everything about me. And my dad is somebody I know that even if I don't tell him, he still has that faith in me.
Yeah.
So that's how it works out for me well.
So, I mean, your entire journey, like, you know, if you get a chance, you know, to go back in your Splitsvilla journey and change anything specifically if you wish to, what would that be? I mean, are you happy, first of all, you know, with your entire Splitsvilla journey?
Kind of, I am happy.
Any
but,
regrets?
There's one thing which I feel which is unfair to me is the way they've shown Akansha's story, the triangle.
Yeah.
My story and my sympathy should have been also shown because I was left out.
Mm.
That's something I would want to change. Like, I would not say I want to change my connection, but I would not let him go to the Oracle again when he went again with Akansha. That's something which I would want to change because that's the time which turned my entire journey. I would have done so many things. I would have showed who I am, but it was like then I was just left out by, like, I did not get the sympathy. Still people tell me, tu usse sympathy le rahi hai. Bro, my journey is incomplete without her. Give her the credit, do not give her the credit, I don't care. But she's a part of my journey, and I and Gaurish are also a part of her journey. You cannot deny it.
Yeah.
It's not into any denial. I'm sorry.
True.
It's the fact. But still people are like, tu usse sympathy le rahi. भाई अगर लेना होता मैं कहाँ जाके क्लाउड ले लेती यार. किसी के साथ बनाया. It's just I'm only making content with my friends. Only being with my friends. I know who will be truly there for me even if I call them at any point of time.
Yeah.
That's it.
One of the other things, like, you know, when you were shooting, actually, like, you know, back in November and December, you know, that you were shooting, उस time पे did you get to know, like, you know, उस टाइम पे लगता होगा हाँ चलिए नॉर्मल जर्नी, बट जब when ये सब कुछ एयर हुआ, then that's when you felt कि भाई oh no fuck it, पूरा गलती दिखा दिया उन्होंने.
Yeah, वो भी है, but एक और चैलेंज भी हुआ था हमारा where it was the skit challenge. Basir was there.
Yeah.
तो तभी it was a पैसा challenge. Why did they not allow me and Gaurish to play together?
हाँ, that time तो you were together, no?
So we did ask. But they were like, no, I like a lot of things, bahane-bazi and shit. And that's where I felt, that was the only point I felt like I was left out. But people have not seen me completely. They just know me like, Zalak tu bahut shant rehti hai. You're somebody who does not speak that much. Because that's me in real life also. If I'm sitting in a bunch of people, like between them, if I don't feel like I have to say something, if I don't have a POV, I would not say.
Yeah.
If I don't like the person, I would not speak to that person intentionally just because there's camera. That is not me. If I like you, I'll talk to you to the core. But if I just don't like you, I would not waste my energy on you.
Do you think that, you know, that did not work in your favor or that worked in your favor? You know, being kind of a bit of an introvert, for other people, you know, who were like loud, you know, they were like, oh, तूने ऐसा क्या किया? And there were a lot of people.
Maybe it's just I should have been a little more, you know, jhagadalu or, you know, wannabe, which people think I am, I'm not. I should have been a little wannabe in front of the camera कि अरे सब जगह जाके बोलते रहो. Now I know that was not a reality show, it's a reality show.
Yeah.
It was not real, it was real what you all were seeing.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. That's something I would want to change.
But otherwise everything is pretty good, like, you know, otherwise, you know, the entire
I've got the best friends in the show. Like I'm blessed with them. Considering Preet, she's been there since even Khushi and Kaira, but I'm more closer to Preet considering because हमने Kaira was in Canada.
Yeah.
Khushi यहाँ पे थी, but still she was working and we could not meet that much. But Preet, after the show, like we met around after my birthday, and since then we are inseparable. Touch wood.
Wow.
I cannot express my feelings for her. It's that much because she's somebody who's elder to me. She stayed at my place also with me and mom, dad.
Wow.
And she spent like 10-12 days.
Wow.
And my father still calls her like buddy, where are you? Like, buddy, not that buddy like mere se buddy wali. So she's like my buddy sister kind of thing. So my parents treat her like that.
Wow.
So,
But do you think, like, you know, this 4 people, like, you know, Kaira, you, Khushi and Preet, you know, you guys were together, you know, that what it's shown, like, you know, in the entire Splitsvilla. But then Kaira got an edge over maybe like as in sense of the screen time and all that, you know, and then eventually she won.
Yeah.
So, but do you think that, you know, it was like charo the, but, you know, you guys got overshadowed in her presence? Do you think that was
we
there?
cannot say overshadowed, but she is somebody who's a louder personality. She's outspoken.
Okay.
And
yes.
she has a voice for everything. And that's not me. I have a
true.
voice, but I feel if you and somebody are fighting, it is not my part.
Yeah, so you'll not say anything.
Yeah, you put yourself in that mess. I'm not your cleaner to clean your mess. I'm sorry. I would not say.
Yeah.
If you ask me, then I'd say it.
Yeah.
बेफालतू को मुझे कैमरा के लिए नहीं करना था. And maybe Kara is somebody who has a POV in everything, and that's her. Like,
Yeah.
she's been living alone. She has her own voice,
Yeah.
and it's fine. She's different. I'm different.
Hmm.
You cannot compare all four of us. All four of us are very different.
Hmm.
If you see,
Yeah.
and we are the only people, touchwood, like who is still together as friends.
Yes. Yes. True.
जितना भी उन्होंने बोला बहनचारा नहीं चलेगा, but bro, this बहनचारा is only working. You see any friends now? No, there's nobody.
There's no one actually, not even relationships. And the ones that were showing up, they have now like they're not together actually. Yeah. But do you think that that was not in a good light when people used to say कि यार ये तीनों तो सिर्फ कायरा की वजह से ही चल रही है? That was not in a good end. Like there are a lot of people who are saying
everybody
that.
will have their perspective.
Hmm.
We know what we've done on the show.
Yeah.
I think जितना मुझे बताना था उतना पहुंच गया है, और सब पॉडकास्ट में आके सेम चीज रिपीट करना doesn't make sense because again they'll say कि तुम इनसे क्लाउड ले रहे हो इनसे.
Yeah. So yeah.
I don't know, just remove this cloud word from the dictionary, bro. Just do it.
They are actually
done with
sisters.
that.
They are actually good friends. Like that what it feels like.
Yeah.
ऐसा हो सकता है यार, मतलब जरूरी नहीं है कि एक ऐसा ऐसा करके वो सब.
कल ही मैं कायरा खुशी साथ में थे.
Wow.
And we video call Preet. I was like, bro, you have to be there. And वो सिर्फ जिम से निकल रही थी. 5 घंटे की इंसान, कौन सा इंसान जिम करता है बताओ?
5 घंटे?
पता नहीं मैडम क्या कर रही थी. And then we called her. I was like, bro, baby, pick up. And then she picked up the call, and we all four were speaking, and yeah, it was a good time.
Wow. Kaira finally won. At least
we were happy because we actually want, be it the challenge or the love of the fans, they have aced it.
Yeah.
Kaira and Gullu have aced it,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
I'm glad they won.
Do you think that from girls' end, obviously she won. I mean, we all are happy. Do you think कि Gullu was also a deserving winner? You think?
Yeah.
Or probably
गुल्लू
Yogesh?
चैलेंज में जी जान, उसको कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता. इंसान मतलब वो ना वो एक मंकी है. यहाँ से वहाँ जिस तरीके से वो कूद रहा था ना, even for the finale challenge, he did not care about anything. If it's hurting him, he'll fall or whatever. He just wanted to do it and ace it, and I guess he did it.
Yeah.
He did it.
ऐसा लग रहा है like Gullu has been winning almost everything that is coming on his plate.
Yeah, maybe just because he's that competitive. He has like that mindset. He strategizes well.
Yeah.
He knows what to do. He's cunning as well. But he knows how to use even people and the game.
Yeah. Do you think like initially when Goresh was, your connection was like he was totally into you and everything that happened, but then Akansha came in the picture, then his feelings probably, because I think in one of the other podcasts as well, where you and Goresh were together, he also kind of said that अगर Akansha होती तो Akansha के साथ में खेलता, we were like more friends and all. But do you ever felt that कि हाँ Goresh की तरफ से थोड़ा बहुत भी था like feelings towards you, because eventually
yeah
like
I
good
was
feelings
there with him for like what 45 days. I knew that he felt for me, and that's the reason he was not able to communicate with me. वो यहाँ प्यार एंगल था and वहाँ they were like बकचोदी feelings. Maybe
okay.
I feel that. And yeah, of course I knew that he had feelings, but I had a little doubt that he might have something for Akansha also, because then we were here.
Yeah
Boys were
absolutely
there.
yeah. So but do you think 100% if you both could have played together, like unless he would have gone to Akansha, so it would have been,
yeah.
Because Goresh की personality भी like initially जब because of Gullu थोड़ी overshadow हो गई थी, because he was almost saying whatever Gullu was saying, but then his real personality came out. What the fuck, this guy is so gem of a guy, man.
Yeah, he's a sweet guy.
Yeah, how is his journey like? Do you think that if you get a chance to go back and then choose any other connection, probably it'll be Goresh only, or you would rather prefer कि हाँ कोई और हो तो मजा आता? Like it could have been.
So I would have chosen Gullu only. He's a good friend of me. एकदम बकचोदी दोस्त है मेरा वो. मतलब उससे कभी भी कुछ भी बात कर सकती हूँ, मुझे कोई फर्क, उसको भी कोई फर्क नहीं, मुझसे कुछ भी बात करेगा. But yeah, I would have
chosen Gullu.
Yeah, maybe Gullu.
Nice. What's one thing that you think from the maker's perspective, they are showing it very wrong? Like, I mean, obviously your journey would have been in a very different way. The entire narrative and story turned towards Yogesh, Akansha and Ruru, everything. And do you think it's unfair for you guys?
Yeah, of course. Splits Villa का नाम निकाल के Splits तारा ही कर देते भाई तुम. इतना ही करना था तो. Because I believe everything is just surrounded by them. Everything. Like you have got 32 contestants. Show everybody very equally.
Yes.
I know like अगर तुम्हें कहीं से we say कि that person is giving you more TRP or whatever. Yeah, her story was. See, even I felt it bad for her initially. That whatever happened, because she's a nice girl. जितना हम शो तक बहुत बात करते थे. शो के एंड तक when it was mine, Akansha and Goresh's like triangle, still we sorted things out, and at the end of the show also we were good friends. we were like all together only. But it's just like giving that biasness to somebody, or like only showing her side of story, not anybody else's. That's something which I felt was not right.
And what, you know, it got stretched way too much, right? Like, you know, probably like from the mid-season till the end, you know, it was all...
Yeah, it was just them. See, now you cannot blame Yogesh. Like, I'm not talking about the finale part.
Yeah.
Prior to it, when whatever happened, he chose Ruru. We cannot blame Yogesh. अगर वो आकांक्षा को भी चूज करते तो भी रूरू के तरफ से बोलते, यहाँ चूज करते तो इसके तरफ से बोल रहे हैं. It's going to happen either ways. Like, but I feel whatever he did, he thought for himself and for Ruru as well. And all of us felt bad about Akansha at that point of time, because अगर मैं भी होती तो मैं तो फूट के रोती, पता नहीं वो हंस कैसे रही थी. She was just trying to control herself. Maybe she understood that being a woman is a little difficult at that point of time. And I appreciate her the way things, like, she handled that situation. Like, she did not go dirty. She did not stoop that low. She did not show that she's a shallow person at all. She took it very wisely. Okay, if this has happened, I'll accept it, I'll gulp it, and I'll move forward. That's one thing. Oh, इतनी तारीफ करी है, कोई यकीन नहीं करेगा, कोई नहीं. For sure.
But one other thing, like, you know, because this thing actually happened, तो नैरेटिव की गुल्लू एंड कायरा भी जीता. आई थिंक, यू नो, वो भी थोड़ा ओवरशैडो, बिकॉज लास्ट जो हमने एपिसोड देखा था, I was like, what the hell, you know, they won it, but you know why Yogesh, Ruru and Akansha are my head?
Because that chaos was there for like more than 2 hours. What we have heard.
So what was that in the shoot?
अब हम, like, you cannot decide who's correct, you know. See, I'm closer to Ruru, of course. I don't speak to Yogesh that much, neither Akansha. So I'm closer to Ruru. अब यहाँ से कुछ अलग स्टोरी आ रही है, यहाँ से अलग, यहाँ से सुजैन अलग बोल रही है मेरे पीछे से. अब यकीन करे तो किसका करे, कुछ समझ. यहाँ अस्मिता बहन अलग कुछ बोल रही है, भाई चारों का अलग चीज़ चल रहा है. ये बोल रही है कि हम मिले थे, हम सिर्फ वो, he was like a little suicidal or whatever, and I met him. And then he was like, I went to meet him. कौन किसको मिलने का, I am literally not able to understand. Secondly, okay, it's fine, but if you are dating somebody, it should be your part to tell your girl, or whatever situation it is, you did not break up at that point of time, जितना मैंने सुना है. So it was your part to at least inform कि bro, I met Akansha, or what, even भूल से भी तुम मिले, but बता दो ना.
Exactly.
It's better to just have a crystal clear relationship rather than just fucking things up for yourself. And
one other thing, like, you know, while you were going in Spiritsula, I mean, you know, when you took an exit, उसके बाद में Koresh was there, उसके बाद में पीछे, you know, I mean, obviously, you know, he didn't take that much of standing as he could have. Think कि यार वहाँ पे, I mean, you did not raise that much voice कहीं पे कोई podcast, maybe you never say it. I mean, that's not you. Obviously, that's pretty hats off to you on, like, you know, keeping your demeanor good and everything, like, you know, pretty good. But वहाँ पे, I mean, it felt like, you know, because Koresh तो मैं भी मतलब मस्त बंदा है वो भी यार, but मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि वहाँ पे वो ले सकता था यार stand, वहाँ पे थोड़ा तो try कर लेता यार.
I would not say he never took a stand for me, he did. But at that point of time, I felt, his point of view was कि यार किसी और के पैसे लेके what if उनको ज़रूरत हो बाद में. It's better just not to take it. But do you care about your friends or your connections staying in the show? My only question was that. And he's saying, I was just thinking practically, okay, fair enough, bro, I get it. But still, I'll stick to that you should have stuck besides your connection and not, you know, think about your friends कि उनको कैसा लगेगा या उनके पैसे जा रहे हैं. If your girl is being saved,
you'll do whatever to save her.
Yeah.
Like Diksha did that, you know, probably one episode before. Like, you know, she kind of gave 41,000 split coins. I was like, Diksha.
Yeah, that was out of the blue. I would never expect that from Diksha because हमारे इतने हम दोस्त नहीं हैं इतने, मतलब we were never that like kind of friends. और उसके एक एपिसोड पहले मैंने हिमांशु को झाड़ा था डोम में. So people were like, इतना झाड़ के पैसा ले लिया, पर मुझे थोड़ी पता था बाद में पैसे देने वाला है भाई. मैंने झाड़ा अभी था उसको पैसे तो, and that was correct. You were saved because of us, because we did not even touch Diksha for a while. Because we just give her the whole row कि भाई बहन तो चली जाए यहाँ से. That challenge. But yeah, that was out of the blue, and I was happy that I'm still in the game. But it was
the next
to be. Koresh में तो आ ही गया था मेरे पीछे.
तो everyone felt कि 41,000, that's a huge split coins, you know, उसको दे दिया. उसके बाद में जब, you know, at the end, you know, Himanshu and Diksha needed split coins eventually because that was sad.
Because of me, I know. But I did not tell them to give it to me. That was a gesture which Diksha felt. Ki I believe I was in the same situation and I would not want her to lose her connection. So I get her point. That was a sweet gesture.
Yeah, but it's jo semi-finale में like the road to
Yeah, I
finale
saw
वाला में,
that.
that was sad, like right.
Yeah.
Himanshu was crying,
Yeah.
Diksha was crying, and all that was happening.
Even like they were asking for money and people were not giving it.
Yeah.
Even though Saurabh wanted to give it, but I know even he has to think about his own game.
Yeah, yeah.
So yeah.
That was sad. What do you think? Like if from Janelle angle, Goresh, he was pretty good with you in the entire everything. Like your journey with Goresh, you're pretty happy with that as well. Like how he worked out.
There's a few things which I told you which I would have changed. I would have changed actually. But yeah, he should have been a little more communicated towards me. Like he should have communicated more towards me when it comes to. But yeah,
he could have been like more of a friend. How he was with Akansha. Probably, I think your connection could have been.
He was a little shy when it comes to me. वो थोड़ा कैसे बोलते हैं, उसको लगता था कि मैं बहुत किड़किड़ कर रही हूँ, like every like झलक छोटी छोटी बात में चिड़चिड़ करती है. Why? Because bro, that's something which I'm not getting from you. So I have to put it. I'm somebody who will communicate to the core. Even if you and me, for example, fight, even if it's your fault, I'll upfrontly come and tell you, bro, we need to sort this out. Maybe it's just the way I have been, like मेरी life रही है वैसी. Or I do not want to keep any grudges with anybody. It's just because you just get one life, bro. क्या मतलब मैं grudges रखूँ?
Exactly.
I have no issues. Even if we had any issues, just come up and talk. Talking is the only way you can clear everything, and people do not understand that. और मैं उसको बोलती थी, communication should be the key for any relationship. Be whatever shit, you need to communicate. You're feeling bad, tell me. How can I understand you're feeling bad?
True. Yeah.
How will I understand you feeling happy? Just tell me, no. So like there's something which I do not like, don't do it.
Yeah.
I would not do it.
Yeah.
Just go and speak.
But yeah, what he was doing in the that session, the date session, with Akansha, Chidiya and all that, he was being so vocal. He
barely came back in 30 minutes. क्योंकि मैं रूम के बाहर बैठी थी, मैं गुल्लू कायरा हम चिल कर रहे थे. कायरा शायद वीडीज के लिए गई थी, बट मैं गुल्लू तो हम बातें कर रहे थे और वो मेरे सामने ही तैयार होके गया आकांक्षा. मैंने बोला गाइस हैव फन, एंजॉय. एवरीबडी इज वेरी चिल. आकांक्षा भी हमारे साथ ही बैठी थी जाने के पहले. लाइक या शी वांटेड समथिंग एंड शी केम. शी वाज लाइक डू यू हैव दिस, ऐसे ऐसे करके. और मैं बोला चलो तुम दोनों जाओ, अब मैं ज़रा अंदर जाके रोक के आती हूँ. यू ऑल गो. एंड देन आधे पौने घंटे हम चाय बिस्किट खा रहे, तब तक तो वापस आ गया. इतनी जल्दी तो वापस कैसे आया? बोलते यार हम सब. और दैट वाज काइंड ऑफ लेट, प्रीटी लेट नाइट. एंड नेक्स्ट डे आल्सो वी हैड टू गो फॉर अ चैलेंज एंड एवरीथिंग. So सबको नींद आ गई and then सब चले गए. And it was, that's what I'm saying. I and Akansha have always been like very good. We've been in good terms. It's just after the show what has happened. Like maybe she or like I don't know, her fans thought that I'm doing something negative against her or I'm saying negative, but that was not my intention at all. I was only pissed when Suzanne said few things about me. That Zalak called Akansha a pig after a challenge. She went on live randomly. But today at this point of time also, if I call Akansha also knows कि उसको पिक किसने बुलाया था, and that was not me. I did not utter bad words about her. I did not say bad things. In just मैं बीवाजी गई थी, मुझे पूछा गया था how do you feel? I said I just feel she's a random girl. I do not like, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि मैं उसको इतना पसंद करूँ. Because my journey took a twist because of her. You think like as a girl I would like that girl also. But still, I kept whatever grudges I had, I kept them aside. I still say कि if there's any chance if I and Akansha can clear things, I'm more than happy, I'm more than open to it. But it is just कि वहाँ से वो चीज़ नहीं आती. I know you've got a lot of love, you've got a lot of fame, you're getting a lot of work. I'm happy for you. But I believe people should just stay a little grounded.
Bro, okay, so there are a lot of news and little rumors and everything, and this time people were well prepared before coming to Splitsvilla. Like you were coming from an outside world, probably you were just doing your.
I was just very new to it and telling you, I was not aware about कि अगर किसी ने मुझे बताया था ना कि बहन ऐसा जाके करना अंदर, मैं फाड़ के आती. I was just new. I was like coping up with the things, no?
Yeah. So, but there are a lot of people you already had connections, like Deeptanshu and Aryanshi wala scene. I mean, obviously, everyone knows it, and there are a lot of people. They had pre-planned, like Gullu ko bare mein, Akansha knew about कि Gullu bhi aa raha and all that. They had already connected. So, did you ever got a chance कि भाई ये भी आ रहा है, मेरे से connection बना के?
I was just aware about like Yogesh and Gullu might come.
अच्छा.
Because they were from Roadies, तो पता होता है Roadies वाली हाँ आएंगे.
हाँ. अच्छा वैसे.
तो मुझे हाँ बस ऐसे पता. I was not speaking to anybody like that. But I knew Deeptanshu as a model.
Yeah.
Like, because both of us are models, so we were like, yeah, like not speaking, but I was aware. I didn't know that he's coming. But जैसा उसको देखा मुझे लगा अभी ये बंदा तो मैं जानती हूँ. मैंने वैसे रिएक्ट नहीं किया, उसने भी वैसे रिएक्ट नहीं किया. But end of the show हमने बात कर ली भाई, because we were supposed to shoot something.
Yeah.
And that did not take place. So, yeah.
Okay. But do you think that, you know, I mean, all these people, you know, who came to Splitsvilla, you know, उनका basically connection और कोई scene तो था ही नहीं. They were all there for fame, clout and all that. Do you think कि अब गलत हो जाए, rather you know, it should happen in a very different way? Did you actually go there, you know, for only connection? कि नहीं?
No, obviously I went for the game as well, but maybe I was too naive to understand them.
Like?
I'll tell you. Like, everybody was just using everybody for the game.
Okay.
Honestly, everybody's done that.
Hmm.
And I feel I was a little naive there because I was actually, you know, trusting people, believing in them. Oh no, that person's genuine.
Okay.
So that way, yeah, but everybody had their motto, like 80% of the game and 20% of the connection. That's what I feel.
But who was the one, you know, who think that, you know, made genuine, you know, efforts into making...
Me.
Apart from you.
Kaira was there. Even Preet, yeah, because जब वो उसका सौरभ वाला scene हुआ तभी भी it was too bad for her because she was actually like...
Harshit was really good, you know, Preet
Yeah,
and Harshit could have been a really good pair.
Yeah,
I mean, like, you know, and
yeah,
Harshit, you know, after
definitely.
Splitsvilla, it seems like, you know, people are just...
They were a power couple.
Yeah, that,
Strong
indeed.
together.
Indeed. And what a great guy Harshit was, man. Unfortunately, he went out pretty soon. Bro, recently, one other thing that happened with Preet, obviously, like, you know, I think, you know, she came to our podcast and then after that, I think next day itself, you know, she had that restaurant wala thing, you know, where someone, you know, whatever that happened. What was that? Like, you know, I mean, Preet never spoke about it, but, you know, I really felt really bad about, you know, what has happened to her. But then eventually bringing that topic up in the Splitsvilla ke finale pe and then, you know, Niharika.
I would have beaten the shit out of that girl, which is Niharika. Why? Because, see, whatever happened with Preet, I was there also with her. Yeah, I was there. It's just, I'm not ready to speak about it because I just want her to speak about that.
Yes, because it's a thing.
It's her private thing. I should not indulge into that. Whenever she's ready, I'm there besides her.
Yeah.
But when Niharika said that, it is a very sensitive and a personal matter, which तुझे कटघरे में खड़ा क्यों रखा है? Because allegations are on you.
Yes.
Just fucking answer it and leave that place.
Yeah.
Because we are the ones who are questioning you. You have to defend yourself. Why are you pinpointing on somebody's person? And I knew Preet numb ho gayi thi.
I mean,
Preet was just like,
yeah.
she's like this. And that's where I thought, Zalak, you have to speak up for your girl. If you do not do it, then does not make sense. And that's when I told her, ki, bro, just tu jo baat kar rahi hai, which is not appropriate at this point of time, you are here for your finale. Speak about your own shit, because what are you, like, fake? Everybody knows it, you're fake, bro. Like, literally everybody knows it. What are you doing and your connection are doing outside just for the... if it's working for you, well and good. But just don't defend yourself, or tu kar defend. But just don't, you know, put allegations on somebody else ki ya kisi aur ke bare mein. You cannot stoop that low, because I believe that's what she is. The way she speaks, her language and her tone, first of all, is not at all appropriate. The way she puts herself out. It does not match at all. And that's when I thought, bro, this girl is like actually somebody जिसके पास दिमाग नहीं है. अगर होता तो वो ये चीज़ बाहर नहीं निकालती. And everybody's reaction was like, bro, what the fuck are you saying? This is not even like, कुछ मैच ही नहीं हो रहा भाई. तू क्या बात कर रही है उससे? उसने तेरे fake relationship पे बोला, just fucking defend it and leave the place. Let somebody else take that. पर निहारिका से क्या expect करोगे तुम? Literally, she's...
But जैसे Splitsvilla के अंदर, like Saurav and Niharika were together, you know, seems like, I'm not sure, you know, what's going on between them right now, but they have made, you know, music videos and all that, you know, they've got good fame because of that. No one else has been able to, you know, kind of, you know, continue their relationship outside the Splitsvilla as well. Like, you know, you and Goresh, you know, could have, you know, but I don't know, you know, what's going on. You know, there has been a lot of, you know, ups and downs and all that has happened.
Yeah, so after the show, basically, like, we did speak about it. But his, like, I cannot say it was just from his end, but I understood the part that he is somebody, he's working there. He does not want to date anybody for like 4 or 5 years.
Oh.
He just wants to be single.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. If we were together, I have invested a lot. I don't think so. Preet has seen me and throughout that whole phase. And I feel, agar hum saath hote, we would have worked out very well.
You looked so cute.
Yeah, very well. People actually like cheesy, jo the hum. But it's fine. Whatever goes, something better is coming in our life.
So last time, you know, when Goresh came in, we asked the same question to him and he was like, yeah, we're trying. हो सकता है we're trying we're on the way मैंने यार कर ले यार मेरा मजा आ जाएगा.
I know, but yeah, it was just he did not want to like date also, and there was one more thing like Delhi, Bombay, but still we could have worked out things.
Yes, I mean
I don't mind. I know I'm somebody. I am saying I don't like long distance, but still because I know that I had that feelings for him.
yeah. What if like if not Gaurish, then specifically in sense of connection? I mean with the gameplay wala thing, Gullu is obviously there, but from connection standpoint, who do you think like was in the second level, your second number pe, apart from Gaurish?
Maybe it would have been Mohit, but then it's better. Mohit is my Saheli is better. Yeah. Mohit and I are better off as friends. Trust me. सब बोलते ज़लक मोहित डेट करे, मैं आज बता दूँ मैं और मोहित कभी डेट नहीं कर रहे थे. We were literally never dating. It's just हम actually बहुत अच्छे दोस्त थे after the show. हम show में इतना नहीं थे. I was a good friend to him. He was a good friend to me. But after the show we became very close friends. Like मैं, Preet, Mohit, Khushi, Sandy. We were all Simran. We were all together the whole time.
Yeah.
So maybe Mohit हो सकता है, but Gaurish is, yeah.
But nice, yeah. If Gaurish probably in future, if he confesses or something like, okay, fine, I'm ready. All could be well.
I don't know.
Probably in future.
Depends on how he is as a person. Depends on his actions as well. And if I'm not already dating anybody.
Bro, how was like, obviously, this Splitsvilla journey of yours, had been like, genuinely amazing. Like, I personally loved it. And, as I was saying that, you kept your demeanor well. You kept calm, never went under the belt, you never said something, I mean, we never saw Zalak kind of saying it, like, only in certain situations, we saw it, but you still were classy, you were like, not like, कि बहुत ही गंदी तरीके से बात कर रहे थे. So from that angle, your parents saw it, what were their reaction like?
No, my parents have always, I don't know about other parents, but my parents have always been very supportive. Since the time I've told them that I'm going on the show, they have done every possible thing they could. They've made me realize that like, this is the way you have to be. You need to be poised as well. Whenever you think you have to speak, you have to speak. Like, they actually gave me a notes of all of these things. Wow. Considering my brother as well. He's younger to me. I like my first cousin. So it's me, mom and dad, my grandparents, and my uncle, aunt, and my brother. Okay. So we were in a joint family pehle, like initially, like when I was 4, 5, and then we separated to 2 different houses. Okay. So my brother told me, Zalak, dekh, aise karna. He's younger to me, he's 23. Still itna shana, मैं बता रहा हूँ वैसे ही gameplay रखना ये वो. So my whole family actually like we sat together, we spoke about it. That's like this is the way you need to carry yourself. You need to know your grounds also. You need to know your whole background, how you are. And I think my parents took it very positively. Looking at my episodes also, when I was speaking, like अगर मेरे मुंह से भूल से गाली भी निकल गई है ना, so either ways I know that was beep. But my parents, like my father was like, अच्छा ये बोला ना सच बता ये बता. मतलब मेरे घर पे मेरे दादा पापा और चाचा में ऐसा है कि मतलब थोड़ा गाली गलौज हो जाता है. मस्ती मस्ती में भी बोल देते हैं. मतलब होता है ना वो लैंग्वेज लाइक कि मस्ती में भी तुमको बोल देंगे कुछ ऐसा. सो मेरी मम्मी बोलती है अपने बाप पे गई है गाली देके तो तू आई वहाँ पे. आई वाज लाइक माय डैड लिटरली आस्क्ड मी कि तू सच बता ये बोला ना. सो इट वाज लाइक इट वाज वेरी फन थिंग. लाइक दे टुक इट एवरीथिंग वेरी पॉजिटिवली. No, not at all. My parents are like, my whole family is like that. They're very modern, they understand things, they know that this is the thing which I want to pursue, and it's better not to, stop your child from doing something which they want to, which can actually lead to something bad. You don't know, there are many children जिनको अगर नहीं मिलता करने के लिए they do n number of things. By the pressure of the family, I'm not able to do this. So my parents were very like that because my father was somebody who always wanted to be an actor. He could not do because of financial issues. And that's why I believe that's the thing, he's supporting me to this, like in this field. And yeah, that was the best part. Even when I was getting eliminated, my mom saw that episode twice. Okay. Yeah, she saw that episode twice and she was crying. मतलब मैं सच में मॉम पे गई हूँ. मैं और मेरी मॉम बहुत रोते हैं. Literally, if she's going to see this, she'll tell me, "भाई तू क्या बोल के आई हो?" But no, it is a fact. Like we're very emotional people. I feel I always see the good in people. Like
that's why whoever, emotions comes out.
Yeah, whoever the person is, I always see कि अच्छा ये इंसान अच्छा है, मैं भरोसा कर सकती हूँ. I trust people very quickly. I get attached. That's my problem. And I was attached to Gaurish. I was trusting Gaurish. I was believing in him. I had that faith in him, and that's why maybe it got affected. ज़्यादा like.
एक स्प्लिट्सविला में एक ऐसी चीज like which probably never got aired was something hanky panky which you think that was happening in Splitsvilla but we never got to see it क्योंकि होता तो था something whatever hanky panky which you think you know it
Sabi ho gaya, Sabi. I don't know what he's talking about.
No, general angle. I'm just asking, like, was there any hanky-panky story which you know probably, that you would like to kind of share? Not extreme ones, probably was just general ones.
No, sorry, मैं अपने कमरे में रहती थी, मैं देखने नहीं जाती थी. I have zero interest. But everybody, like, yeah, I mean, सब जितने alliance था, सब साथ में ही रहते थे. Be it me, Gullu, Kaira, Preet, Gaurish, Vishu, हम एक ही कमरे में ही रहते थे, like, the whole time. अब सौरभ वाला का भाईचारा देख लो. They were all together. Now, I don't know what you're talking about. I have no clue. Literally, I have no clue about this.
Okay.
I wish I knew.
Okay. जब वहाँ पे जब सारे टास्क वगैरह होते थे, जब इंटेंसिटी वगैरह होती थी, like you think कि उस टाइम पे वो सिर्फ कैमरे का ही वो लोग लड़ाई करते थे कि नहीं, बट जेन्युइनली लड़ाई होती थी. तो ये दीक्षा और आकांक्षा वाली जो चीज हुई थी, that was like epic. Real. अच्छा.
मैं तो तब सो रही थी. मैं एक्चुअली सो रही थी बिकॉज मैं वीडी देख के आई थी और आई वाज लाइक रेस्टिंग बिकॉज वी न्यू वी हैव लाइक द चैलेंज. आई सेड अब मैं आधा घंटा तो नैप ली. उतने में तो पता नहीं कहाँ से कुछ भसड़ आवाज़ आ रही. मैं बाहर गई हूँ, मुझे बोला डिजिटल्स के लिए बाहर आना है. अभी मैं रेडी हो रही हूँ, तब तक देख रही हूँ सब पता नहीं एक विला के बाहर खड़े हैं रैंडमली और चिल्लम चिल्ली चल रही है. एंड दैट वाज बेसिकली द प्रैंक गिवन टू दीक्षा. नो
आई मीन क्लोथ्स फेंकने वाला.
दैट वाज लाइक अ बिग प्रैंक व्हिच शी गॉट.
But that was actual fight, like I heard.
I was not a part of it, but I've heard whatever has happened. But it was an actual fight.
But क्या जरूरत थी? मतलब you think कि इस लेवल तक तो नहीं जाना चाहिए था, हाथापाई पे तो नहीं जाना चाहिए था.
That's what I'm saying. People don't know how to portray themselves in front of the camera. It's just you need to understand that there are n number of people looking at you. I know अगर मेरे से भी कोई लड़ेगा, मेरे को कोई चाटा मारेगा तो मैं भी मारूंगी. But it's just your tongue that has a lot of power.
Yes.
So use it wisely when you use it.
But all this debacle which has happened, post Splitsvilla, like a lot of things, like it has gotten really dirty, like Suzanne wala thing.
A lot.
Like do you think that why people are not keeping it classy, or like from general angle, like as I have seen as an audience, like you never got involved into such a bad stuff.
No.
Right? But what we see right now, what's happening, like Suzanne, is saying this about that person they met, बच्चों वाली चीज़ like.
हाँ, मतलब या तो तुम इसके दोस्त हो या तो तुम इसके दोस्त हो. तुम दोनों के दोस्त. A friend to all is a friend to none.
Oh wow.
No, I'll tell you honestly. See, I also know everybody, but I'm not friends with everyone. I do not have any beefs. Doesn't mean I'm not like I do not have my own people and I like separate other people. Like you understand?
Yeah.
See, I can consider Gullu my friend. I cannot say Diptanshu is my good friend. I know him. I know him as a person we can gel up. Not Diptanshu. Like consider anybody else. Like Mohit is my good friend.
Yeah.
But I cannot say like अब किसी और का नाम हर्षित, मैं उससे बात नहीं करती, but I know that person. You know what I'm trying to say?
I get him on, yeah.
So अगर तुम्हें लगता था कि तुम्हारी दोस्त गलत कर रही है तो पहले बोल देती, या तो इसको समझा या तो इसको समझाओ. तुम नहीं बोल सकती, ओ शिट मैंने इसको भी नहीं समझा उसको भी नहीं समझा. तुम दो नाव पे नहीं पैर रख के चल सकते. Like it cannot be happening.
कोई एक ऐसा बंदा like जो स्प्लिट्सविला में which you think कि यार इसकी पर्सनैलिटी अलग है, बट बाहर आके की तो बंदा ही अलग है यार.
मोहित.
हाँ, मोहित has been outshining a lot recently, I think.
मोहित अंदर तो एकदम ऐसा लग रहा था कि बेचारे को ये कैन में पैक करके रखा है. जब बोलूं जीनी की तरह बाहर आना तब तक बाहर मत आना. बस I felt that was the game. And even Anushka, bro, like I तो never spoke to her in the show also or outside the show also. She's somebody who is, I don't know, she has some split personality. Because she's speaking to me very nicely and then she randomly goes up to a podcast and says shit about me. Bro, either you wanna like तुम एक बार एक हाथ मिलाते हो कि चलो हम फ्रेंड्स बन जाए, next day you just go and speak shit. I don't think so I can trust you. But yeah, Mohit is somebody who I wanted like him to outshine in the show also because of his personality, the way he is. He's a very fun-loving guy. Very.
But unfortunately, because of Anushka, he was not able to.
Yeah.
Okay. And how is specifically, if I say, Gullu as a personality? Like, how is it? He influenced the season?
Yeah.
He influenced the season?
Yeah.
बोल सकते?
Kinda, I don't know. It's just, he's somebody, he is like everywhere.
Okay.
He is everywhere. अगर बकचोदी कहीं हो रही है और Gullu is not a part of it because he has the best sense of humor, if you see. That guy has a very good humor. he knows कि हम बहुत हंसते थे गुल्लू गौरेश की वजह से. Not kidding, but yeah, we used to laugh a lot. Even Vishu considering like that. But he is a very, like, what do we say, a funny guy.
Yeah.
He's somebody who wants everybody around him to be happy as well. Same goes with Gauresh.
Yeah.
They want everybody to be happy, to have fun.
Yeah.
But Gullu is very smart.
Street smart.
Very smart. Very. He knows कि मुझे कब क्या करना है और किससे मुझे क्या होगा और कौन सा consequence होगा. Everything. He has everything in his head. Everything. He's very smart. Maybe it's just because he's from a reality background.
Yeah. Yeah.
He's seen roadies. Even I loved him in roadies. Even I loved Yogesh also in roadies.
Yeah.
So, but मुझे तभी से पता था कि मतलब अगर आएंगे तो ये दोनों तो आएंगे, because Yogesh was like Elvish's favorite bro every time. Even Gullu considering like that. So I thought at least these guys will come.
Yeah. How was it working with Sunny ma'am and Karan sir? Like,
so Sunny के साथ तो I'll tell you, I have shot for her brand before the show also, like been a year or two. I shot for Starstruck twice or thrice, and that's where I know Sunny and her manager Sunny Rajani. But yeah, I've shot for Sunny's brand. I was the model, and that's where I got to know कि चलो Sunny Rajani is also here. But initially उन्होंने मुझे देखा, they did not recognize. But then when we spoke, no, it's like, oh, then I remember who you are. Even Daniel, her husband came, and then he also like I've spoken about it. So he was also कि oh yeah, Zalak Ro. I said yeah. So it was fun to work with her because Sunny is actually the hardest MTV or Splitsville I can say, because she's been there since a very long time.
Yes.
The way I believe her journey is something which is inspiring, I guess. And maybe girls can relate to it or guys can relate to it. But she's somebody you want to look up to because that's the way she's taken herself from that stage to today being a poised woman.
Yes.
To be that somebody who can say, oh, Sunny is my idol.
Yeah.
Even Karan, Karan sir, I met for the first time, of course. But वो भी एकदम chill, very chill guy, very like तुम टाइम पास कर सकते हो, तुम्हें कुछ हेल्प या एडवाइस भी चाहिए तो ये दोनों तुम्हारे लिए है always.
But इस बार ऐसा नहीं लगा कि like they were also very opinionated, like previously it was not like that, while Tarun sir was here, Sunny ma'am was here, but इस बार तो like even the contestants were getting it from
them. Of course we felt like that. Like it's good sometimes that you're getting opinions, but
pressure भी था कि मैंने कुछ ऐसा बोल दिया फिर मेरे को
फिर मुझे वहाँ से आया कि shit ये
you guys Yogesh got it a lot.
Yeah, a lot bro. That guy was their favorite, I feel. बजाने के लिए Yogesh was the favorite. बेचारा यार.
And Himanshu.
उसका तो पता नहीं क्या ही था, मतलब he was everywhere. He was speaking everywhere. Sometimes his points are correct. Sometimes I feel whatever Himanshu says is correct, but sometimes I feel it's just like don't say it.
But do you think that Himanshu's journey got affected जब से उसने उर्फी के साथ में लड़ाई की थी जो भी?
No, I don't think so. मतलब मुझे तो बाद में पता चला कि वो ऐसा झगड़ा हुआ था. But ना हो भी सकता है.
Because I mean from audience standpoint तब तक तो he was like very macho, मैं ऐसा कर दूंगा वैसा कर दूंगा, जैसे उर्फी वाली लड़ाई उसके बाद में his narrative got changed.
हो भी सकता है. I have no clue about it. क्योंकि मुझे तो नहीं पता था, हमें तो बाद में पता चला ना कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ है.
Bro, there are a lot of people apparently have been taking fake followers. Like it has been a very constant thing amongst everyone, and then they are dropping up as well. वो पूरे followers ही गिरते जा रहे हैं, फिर वो रिपल कराते हैं.
जब tortoise या turtle की speed पे चलो मेरे जैसे, I'm okay with it. It's fine. I don't want to be a rare. Like I actually don't want to be a rabbit at this point of time. It's better I be on tortoise because whatever it is at एक point वो जो झूठ है या कुछ भी वो जाने ही वाला है ना लाइफ से.
Yes.
The truth has to come outside today or tomorrow.
Yeah.
So if it's working out for them, well and good. If not, then also well and good. Realize things. It's okay. It's their point of view. It's their PR or whatever shit.
Who do you think have genuinely gotten real fans, like earned real fans, like in this season?
I have a long list of my friends only. I feel. Beat Kyra, beat Kullu. Even Ruru's got a lot of good fans. Huh?
Yes.
She deserves it. Bro. She deserves it.
Yeah.
Then it's me, Preet. Gauresh also, उसके भी followers गिरे थे. I know because of वो आकांक्षा को छोड़ के आया था. But these are the people, even Sadaf. Sandy bro.
Sandy has been like epic yaar, man. She has been epic.
Sandy's also got.
And people are loving her, outside the spiritual, I think.
It's just, she's very raw. She's just herself. She does not care about anybody else. Why? Because that's how you should be as a person.
Yes.
You need to just if you care about somebody else,
Yeah.
then you are not caring about yourself.
True.
So that's
Yeah. But nice here. I mean, from general angle, like, you know, your journey in Splitsvilla has been in such a way that, you know, I really admire your journey because, you know, when I got to know in one of the podcasts that, you know, you had been that, like, you were working somewhere, all of fuck, you know.
just filming and I spoke
filming
about
and,
it
yeah,
for the first time.
that was very good, very good. What do you think, like, you know, what's next for you? Like, you know, movies, songs?
Yeah,
or
see, my
what is
main
it?
motto is I want to get into acting, of course.
Okay.
But if whatever it is, I would just want to keep it
Oh,
low-key.
yes.
Yeah, I told you know the reason.
Yeah, I get the point.
मेरे
I
साथ
get
तो
the
यही होता है.
Hmm.
No, but it's just I'm looking forward to better opportunity, not just you know looping myself into reality shows, but something bigger than that.
Okay, outside the reality
Yeah,
shows and all,
yeah.
you know, pretty okay. But do you think कि जैसे Splitsvilla के just बाद में, like, you know, थोड़ा जो fame होता है वो धीरे stagnant होने लग जाता है.
Yeah, it is.
That
it
is,
stagnant.
and it becomes very difficult to be relevant.
It just be active on social media. That's what I've been doing.
Hmm.
It's just social media has that power, and I believe
Okay. But who do you think, like, you know, genuinely, जैसे Gullu, we have just heard it, like, you know, he's just won another show, Mom Wala, you know,
Bro,
just.
that guy is going crazy. I'm happy for him and his.
He's in
mom
the
as
league
well.
of Prince and Hamid ke league. Like, that's big.
Yeah.
That's pretty big. Like, you know, he's just been winning, and like Akansha and Yogesh apparently has been in news for they are going in lockup
Yeah.
season, and Saundar is going to Big
काश
Boss.
मेरी कोई अलग कंट्रोवर्सी होती है मेरी कंट्रोवर्सी दिखा देते आज लॉकअप में मैं भी जाती मैं
But I think you're too sweet for a controversy. यार.
है ना?
हमें भी लगता है कि यार controversy आपके ऊपर सूट भी करेगी. Controversy की यार नहीं यार.
नहीं
इनके
यार
साथ में controversy-
जला के तो मैं चली जाती हूँ I feel that too but yeah Gullu has won like back to back 3 shows I know Gullu, I know Hamid.
Yeah.
I don't know Prince. Like I've met him a number
Acha.
of times.
Yeah.
Yeah, we met like that. They also 3 days back, I believe. But of course, considering these two, Gullu ke liye I'm super happy for sure.
Yeah.
And yeah, he's maintained the legacy of Prince and
Prince
Hamid.
and Hamid, yeah.
And Hamid is a very dear friend to me. As I told
Hamid
you
is
already.
Superman, you know. Yeah.
He is somebody like मैं शो से उस एक ऐसा बंदा है मतलब वहाँ के बॉस से ज़्यादा I used to gel up more with him.
Wow.
Like he's somebody I can look up to, be it his journey or the way he is as a person, the way he carries himself.
Yeah.
He's a gentleman,
Yeah.
and I like him for that thing. And I know that Hamid like best too. So if I know that tomorrow there's something, if I call him, he'll
Yeah.
be there.
Yeah.
Like that kind of a thing. Like he roasts me, bro. He roasts me. Even if I call him right now, he'll
Yeah.
tell me क्या बकचोदी है कहाँ है ये वो पीटेगी यही सब बोलते रहेगा वो मुझे
Wow.
and that's something I feel that's maybe the bond which like
Yes.
and I love it the way it is so
That's
he's
good.
somebody ऐसे मेरे सीजन से बेटर मैं इससे ज़्यादा जेल कर रही हूँ यार मतलब so it's good
It's good. Yeah. But खुशी के लिए, like, you know, खुशी has been, you know, one of your 4 sisters
Yeah.
वाले gang में से she was here, but I
she's a
think
girly's girl
girl is girl.
Yeah.
But उसको थोड़ा ज़्यादा hate मिला as compared to obviously, like, you know, we have been.
maybe yes why
But why is
because
that so? You think?
पहले तो वो विशु दीप्तांशु वाला सीन सेकेंडली वो चैलेंज में उसने अपने ही वो बलून्स तोड़ दिए थे फॉर दैट इज एंड मे बी जस्ट शी वाज मोर फॉर हर फ्रेंड्स एंड नॉट हर सेल्फ दैट्स वन पार्ट वेयर पीपल आर हेटिंग हर बट इट इज द वे शी इज शी विल ऑलवेज बी देयर फॉर हर फ्रेंड्स लाइक शी इज लाइक दैट एज अ पर्सन शी इज अ स्वीट हार्ट
Yeah.
सो मतलब यही प्रॉब्लम है ना तुम अपने आप को रियल बताओगे तो लोगों को नहीं पसंद आएगा यू नीड टू बी फेक जस्ट फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट लाइक अदर पीपल कैन आई से
Apparently, Akansha has just crossed 3.2 million on YouTube. Sorry, on Instagram, and she has crossed Elvish se zyada broadcast members on Instagram. Elvish Yadav se zyada, who has worked and, you know, worked his ass off for many years, 10 years almost, and then just one show Akansha has made it. Do you think it's so fucking unreal?
Yeah, it is unreal. But good for her. I'll still say the same thing. Good for her. No comments. That's it. Thank you.
Bro, just recently, like, you know, quite recently, Kaira and Gullu have unfollowed each other, you know, after songs, videos and all that. Yeah, ऐसा क्यों होता है? मेरे को अभी तक समझ में नहीं आता. जब यार मेरी अगर आपकी दोस्ती अच्छी चल रही है, why would I unfollow you? That'll be so childish, no?
See, I know the stories from both sides, but it's just like I just wanted them to be together, I feel. But if it's not working out for them, and if there's something which she does not want to let her mental health also affect, maybe that's the only reason they have like parted ways. I would want them only to say about it, because kali mein Kaira ke saath thi. We were like talking a lot about this only the whole time, trust me. And I've seen her going through things. With Gullu also, see, I have not met Gullu like recently because वो भी travel यानी ये सब कर रहा था. But still, it is his point is something else, her point is something else. And if it's not working out, not compatible, then it could be.
It doesn't matter. Okay.
But yeah, it's sad to see them like.
Yeah, partying. But we
Gullu
just
Kaira were together, like.
They were genuinely the best. I was so happy. Like, you know, they are the only ones, you know, probably after the splits were like, no genuine, real connection. They're still being there. Gullu never changed his connection, you know.
वैसा ही था उसके साथ और वैसे ही मनाता था और वैसे ही गुस्सा होती थी.
But Kaira is really, I mean, so bold and so strong girl. You know, she is like, you know, I made a video on her, you know, specifically praising her that, you know, she's like an ideal girl's girl. Like, you know, apparently, like, you know, she has so strong personality. She's vocal. She's like, you know, very extrovert about things. You know, have POVs. You know, like that. But yeah, I mean, she's been pretty good.
She is actually a gem of a person, I would say. But it's just maybe things didn't work out the way they wanted to, and that's why it is like unfollowed.
What about Saurabh and Niharika are almost in the edge, like, you know, they're almost there. Do you speak to Saurabh?
Not at all.
Yeah, not even Niharika.
You didn't see the finale the way I was with them.
Yeah, तो कब फिर उसके बाद कभी बात नहीं हुई?
ना.
कभी नहीं.
सौरभ के साथ तो पहले अच्छा था. एक बार we judged a fashion event at a college. We went to NMIMS and we were judges together.
Oh wow.
But we were chill. But the time we started being with Niharika, things changed.
Okay.
Influential.
Okay, bro, I'm gonna give you a few emotions in this, and you're gonna let me know, like, you know, who suits the best, you know, for these emotions. Okay. And it has to be rapid, huh? Best body.
Mohit.
Humble.
Kaira.
Charming.
Gullu.
Wild. Rapid.
Diksha maybe because of the not that wild, right? Like the controversy which they had.
Yeah. Okay. Cute.
Khushi.
Husband material.
Nobody. Nobody.
Okay. Aggressive.
Maybe Karan sir, I can say.
Yeah. Aggressive.
Aggressive was Himansh. No, Niharika.
Okay. Mannerless.
Niharika.
Cool.
I believe. Boys, Vishu.
Okay. Joker.
Vishu.
Best actor.
Oh, best Diptanshu.
Okay. Oh! Best actress.
Anushka ma'am.
Okay, yeah. Best dress sense. Girls and a guy.
Preet and guys Gullu. Gullu and Gaurish. Gullu, Gaurish, Vishu यार वो लोग कपड़े अलग ही लाए थे भाई और तीनों शेयर करते रहते थे. But yeah, Preet for me for girls and guys you can pick any three of them.
Okay. Best dancer.
Kaira.
Role model. Like you can also say Sunny ma'am or Karan sir, Hamid or anyone.
Hamid also you can say, but Sunny.
Okay. Honest.
Zalak.
Yeah, apart from you.
Kaira was also pretty honest.
Overactor.
Anushka.
Witty.
Anushka.
Show off.
Show off was, I felt at the point of time, it was Himanshu a little.
Okay.
Like bragging, I've done shows, I know this, I know that.
Yeah.
तब की बात कर रही हूँ.
Initials. Okay. Fake personality.
It would be again Anushka for me because I still don't know her personality yet.
Okay. Attention seeker.
ये तो show में भी answer करा था यार. Anushka.
Wannabe.
Maybe attention seeker, I can put it to Asmita, the way things have been and revolved around her.
Yeah.
Wannabe, I don't know, Anushka only.
Okay.
Like she suits every negative thing.
Arrogant.
That would be Niharika or Saurabh for me.
Okay. Self-obsessed.
Gullu.
Oh, really?
He's just self-obsessed, no? He's just obsessed with himself. He wants to do everything for himself.
Desperate.
No, there was nobody desperate.
Okay. Rude.
यार कोई मुझे तो लोग ही नहीं याद अभी ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे. Rude. Nah, nobody.
Insensitive.
I'd say Gorish. He
What?
went to the oracle, no? Again. Leaving me. He's insensitive.
Wow, fuck. What is that one memory that you have from Splitsvilla which you think that, you know, it's gonna stay with you forever and ever, you know, throughout your life?
Oh, there are a lot of memories, but let me think about the one thing. The time Khushi was getting eliminated.
Oh.
That was the worst. That was not good memory, but still, वो ऐसा हो रहेगा कि हम चार अलग हो गए.
It was intense. It was, and very, very difficult for Kyra, yeah.
Yeah, very.
I mean, I remember that, you know, she was howling and she was just crying and you were saying, you know, save me, and Khushi was, oh fuck, that was bad.
And one more thing, finale खत्म होने के बाद जो हम chill कर रहे थे, everybody was together. किसी को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा कौन किसका दुश्मनी कुछ नहीं. Everybody was just chilling together. The best part was कि ऐसे time पे when you know that yeah there are alliances and the show's like completed, we're done with the show, we're fucking done with the show, we've aced it, and today we all of us are sitting here chilling together because we know like tomorrow we have to leave for our home, we'll just go somewhere else. But yeah, a lot of memories, but these things are like जो हम रात को बैठ के मस्ती करते थे. This is something which we recall and we remember, यार, this is what we miss, not the show but this is what we miss.
What does the audience doesn't see, you know, which happens in Splitsvilla, like, you know, probably while doing the shoots, probably the intensity, the pressure, no sleep, lack of food or whatever, you know, what was that?
Initially तो इतना नहीं था कि sleep deprived हैं हम, but later on हमें ऐसा हो रहा था कि नींद कम, बिकॉज एक ही दिन में हमें विलास मौजू है, प्यार चैलेंज, पैसा चैलेंज, डोम, प्यार चैलेंज. हम बैली सोते थे, हम फटफट जाते खाते थे, एंड वी यूज्ड टू कम बैक. देयर आर थिंग्स व्हिच पीपल डोंट नो अबाउट इट, लाइक you don't know how you have to react, but randomly there's a camera in front of you and you have to react. There are things also people say कि अरे इसने ये क्यों बोला है, तुम्हारा दिमाग नहीं चलेगा तब क्या कुछ बोलना है. So like that, there are n number of things. हम उठते थे, breakfast, फटाक से change करो, go back to the villa, and then after coming back to the villa, change, go for a challenge location पहुँचते, lunch करो, mics पहनो, ये करो वो करो, बैठो पहले तो देखो सीटिंग कहाँ है, बैठी किसको कहाँ बिठाना है. N number of things you all don't see.
But do you think
were also like 8-9 years, 8-9 hours, and then that cut shorts to what you all see.
The people who are standing, they used to stand for 9 hours?
जैसे कट बोला ना, कट producers in सब जहाँ जैसे बैठे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा, हम सिर्फ बैठ रहे हैं. मैं बैठने से मतलब है.
Fuck, 9 hours?
Yeah, that was the max. वही वाला डोम जो मैं झगड़ रही थी.
That was
ज़्यादा था. And जहाँ हम चारों एलिमिनेट हुए थे वो भी बहुत लंबा, मतलब 6-7 तो आप पकड़ के चलो आराम से. अच्छा,
वाओ. और वहाँ पे कट्स वगैरह लगते थे वहाँ?
हाँ. We used to get our snacks also. We used to get भूखे थे ना यार, इतना चिल्लाएंगे तो कुछ खाना तो मिलना चाहिए. That was fine. We used to get it.
Oh, and what about this oracle and ये जो चीजें होती है, like, you know, obviously बात है, like, you know, we know that कहीं ना कहीं scripted on whatever that happens.
Basis on the personalities, like हमने अपने बारे में लिखा है, सामने वाले ने अपने बारे में, if it's matching, if they're going good, then you all are in that match.
But based on, like, you know, who's booming up and कौन ज़्यादा content दे रहा है, उस basis पे they used to kind of mod. हो भी सकता है. Like Goresh and Akansha went twice. Like, you know, I mean that was like.
Because I felt they knew that Ruru's supposed to come, so they wanted to put Yogesh with Ruru, and that's why they wanted somebody to find for Akansha, and Goresh was the first. I feel. Because Goresh ने पहले ही Akansha के साथ connection बना लिया था.
Yes.
तो पहला ही बंदा था, तो बना दिया ideal match. I feel. And then they saw, oh, they're gelling up, they're talking, there's no communication issue. तो दूसरी बार भी बन जाओ भाई.
But Goresh ने वो काम अच्छा किया था कि यहाँ पे, like, you know, he, you know, took his stand and then, you know, he came with you, like, Akansha मैं तेरे साथ नहीं खेलूँगा, मैं ज़ारक के साथ में जाता हूँ. But it was way too late by then.
That was also a best moment for me. Like, I felt finally I have my person back in my life. And it was something, it made me and my journey complete, I felt.
Yeah. But I think, you know, was that way too late, you know, by then?
Yeah, it was way too late. Because we were never aware कि हम ये कर सकते हैं. Because he never spoke about it also, no?
Yeah.
He wants to take that action.
Yeah. And that was the first time that you got to know while, you know, he was saying and he took his stand कि उससे पहले से मालूम ये लेने वाला है.
मुझे नहीं, randomly बोल दिया उसने, मुझे नहीं पता था. मतलब हम झगड़ा कर रहे थे, we were talking about it, we were speaking about it. And then randomly he says, I want to say something. I'm like, bro, what is he saying? was like, oh, shocked, bro. You.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
So, I mean, from general angle, like, you know, we have seen your entire Splitsvilla ka journey. Anything which has changed for you after Splitsvilla and pre-Splitsvilla? What is it like? You know, how do you
Yeah,
feel?
that now I don't trust people easily.
Oh.
No, it's not about that. It's just maybe the way I have seen कि लोग कैसे बदलते हैं.
Yeah.
They change as per their priorities and the way they want to. So I feel now I should just keep my circle very tiny. And I also have my own priorities. I know I want to just focus on my work, not on people, because I'm a people's person. If you call me, like, तुम्हें कभी भी ज़रूरत होगी, I'll be there, even if it's like मैं कभी तुमसे बात नहीं करती फिर भी. And I have to, you know, limit myself to that.
Yeah.
Like, just Zalak, focus on yourself. You are the star of your own life.
Yeah.
So do it for your own self. That's something which I want to work my ass off.
Splitsvilla must have changed your life, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, for good.
Of course. Looking at people कि हम भी किसी स्टार को देख के कितना अडोर करते थे, ओशिरिक फोटो. And now things happening with us is something which was not expected, and in a good way I would say it कि it feels good that at least with that one photo that person is smiling because of us.
Yeah.
Be it somebody very small or elderly or anybody, but people are knowing me because one thing which I always get is, Zalak, we love you for your outfits. Zalak, we love you for your fits. Zalak, we love the way you style yourself. Zalak. So मैं majority ये चीज़ सुनती थी कि the way you are poised, the way you've carried yourself, be it considering your hairstyles or outfits, everything, and that's something which I've taken, and now I know, okay, chalo, fashion is my field. They've given me an answer for it.
Yeah.
So I know what next to do. Like that.
न्यूमी का वो आता था ना, तो उसमें ना प्रॉब्ली यू नो फर्स्ट परसेप्शन ही ना ये मतलब लाइक वो यार ये ज़लक के ज़्यादा बेटर सूट करते हैं, यू एंड आकाशा एंड हाँ ज़्यादातर तो
हाँ हम ही थे मतलब एड्स में भी.
I think that was the one. So what is that is something that, you know, the audience can expect from you probably in coming future. Obviously, like movies and all that you said, you know, don't reveal that. But as in content wise, you know, what is that you can expect?
Yeah, content wise, I would say you'll get a lot of fashion thingy. You'll get a lot of transitions because even my stylist told me, Zalak, we need more fashion thingy. So it's just I'm a fashion model. I was doing modeling for fashion only.
Yeah.
So that's one thing. And of course, I will be definitely active on social media. Please check out my page. And you'll get a lot of funny stuff also, be it with my friends or me alone. But yes, I will keep you all entertained for the rest of my life for sure. Just give me your love because you all don't know the real me. But now as you'll know the real me, please shower love and keep supporting.
Okay, before we close it, you know, one last thing. In the prank, okay, so in this prank, you know, you can choose, you know, whoever that you wish to, but, you know, I would rather say, like, you know, it's better that you... Okay, call Gaurish and tell him that, you know, you love him. You have feelings for him. And genuinely, मैं मजाक नहीं कर रही हूँ, मेरे को सही में तेरे से प्यार है, क्या हम लोग पैचअप कर सकते हैं क्या? मजा आ जाएगा यार।
गौरीश फोन उठाएगा तो ना,
बिल्कुल उठाएगा, मैं फोन करूँगा।
हमेशा नहीं तो पता चल जाएगा।
हाँ ये शिट।
वो हमेशा मुझे बोलता है कि
बहुत अच्छे से बोलना कि यार कुछ पता नहीं आ रही।
नहीं उठाएगा यार, उसको लिखना पड़ेगा इमरजेंसी कॉल ASAP। नहीं उठाएगा या तो जिम में या कहीं होगा, उसको स्नैप देखते हैं तो रुको। I told you he'll not pick up. He does not pick up at this point of time.
Why?
Randomly he never picks up my call. I have to tell him ASAP call me, and then he'll call me back. See, then I don't talk to him.
हेलो
कैसा है?
बढ़िया आप बताओ।
कुछ नहीं, थोड़ा बात करना था मुझे एक्चुअली। आर यू लाइक विद समबडी राइट नाउ?
नहीं
अकेले ही है ना?
जिम में हूं दोस्तों के साथ।
अच्छा तो 2 मिनट बात कर सकती हूँ? आई वाज जस्ट नॉट फीलिंग लाइक फाइन, आई वाज फीलिंग अ लिटिल लो।
हाँ बताओ क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, बस वही मतलब यू नो आई हैव बीन सीइंग आवर रील्स अगेन एंड अगेन, आई हैव सेंट यू एज वेल, सो जस्ट वांटेड टू से आई स्टिल हैव फीलिंग्स फॉर यू गौरीश। आई कैन नॉट like let you out of my heart.
वो तो आप स्वीट देखो।
क्या?
वो तो आप स्वीट देखो।
Bro, if somebody confesses their love for you, is this the way you react?
नहीं, पर मैं आपको 45 दिन से जानता हूँ, तो मेरे को पता है आप मेरे से कब प्रैंक कर रहे हो कब नहीं ना।
You think I'm prank? This is a prank call, like literally. Did I not call you that day also?
नहीं यार, मेरे को पता लग जाता है आपकी टोन से ना, आपका प्रैंक कर रहे हो कब सीरियस हो। जब तू सीरियस हो तो डर लगता है।
मैं डराती नहीं हूँ वैसे भी तुझे, चल।
नहीं, मेरे को डर लगता है, मैं रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ तेरी बहुत, इससे मेरे को डर लगता है।
Oh my God. ठीक है, चल जिम कर बाय।
You know यार।
I know you यार।
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you, take
See
care.
you too.
यार ये कितना ऑब्वियस हो गया था यार।
पता है, उसको पता है कि मैं उसको randomly, even when I randomly call him now like that, उसको लिखती हूँ इमरजेंसी कॉल मी। तो मेरे साथ कोई फैन वैन होता है जिसको बात करें, अरे गौरीश भैया को कॉल करो, तो मैं कर देती हूँ कि बात कर लो भाई, तुम भी खुश हो जाओ ऐसे करके। एंड अगर अभी तो मैंने रैंडमली उससे बात की ना अभी, अगर तो मुझे तेरे लिए फीलिंग है, तो उसको पता ही था कि प्रैंक कर। बट या ही नोज मी वेल ब्रो।
But you guys are in good touch
Yeah,
now.
good terms. We're in good terms.
Good terms.
We don't have any like grudges or anything. We're good terms. Whatever we had, we spoke about it. Whatever happened inside and outside the show also, it is something different. His perspective is different. My perspective is different. And let's see what life, like where life takes us. But we're better off as friends right now, good friends.
Yeah.
And I know that he's also there for me, and I'll be there for him also. He knows that.
Wow. Perfect. Yeah, I think, you and Goresh, basically look so cute, so amazing. Two different personalities. Like, one so classic kind of a woman, and then the other one is the desi Delhi ka Londa. And you kind
के लॉन्डो से ना पीछा छुड़वाओ भगवान।
नहीं, बट ऐसा क्यों, मतलब अलग है यार दिल्ली के लौंडे।
बस वही अलग है ना, ये दुनिया के नहीं है, वो अलग है, कहीं और के है वो। But no, I'm just kidding. He is also a very nice guy. But
Nice.
it.
Okay, bro. In this, I'm gonna take few names, and you have to tell me कि उस contestants के, like, whatever the emotions that you can tell, or probably one word about that specific person that you can think of. Okay. First one is Arav.
Toronto. Toronto written.
Deeptanshu.
Ooh, mastermind player.
Ron.
Gentleman.
Gullu.
Bakchod.
Mohit.
Saheli.
Goresh.
Gigi. No, हाथ निकाल देना भाई, Gigi. Let's keep Gigi.
Tain.
अंग्रेज.
Saurabh.
देसी कबार.
Sadaf.
Sadaf is my penguin. I call her penguin. Bro. She's so tiny, टी करके चलती है. She's my penguin only.
Saundarya.
Saundarya is bubbly.
Okay. Akansha.
Just Akansha Chaudhary.
Okay. Anisha.
Anisha, yeah, I'll call her Shania also. She's like that girl.
Suzanne.
दोस्त ना रहा.
Anjali.
She does not exist for me. I've never met her. I've never seen her.
Diksha.
My savior.
Yes. But do you think, I have a question on this.
Yeah.
Even the makers were not expecting that she'll give 41,000, no?
No. Nobody expected.
It was out of context.
Out of the syllabus, I'm telling you, nobody expected Diksha will give me that.
Well, because, eventually she saved, and I'm like, fuck, I was very happy, but next day, eventually you went out.
Yeah.
Like, but I was thinking, makers
Yeah.
समझ नहीं पाए होंगे.
हाँ कि भाई कोई तो वो अलायंस से कैसे दे सकता है पैसे?
And one other question on this, कि for you, the amount was so high, split coins was so
It's
high,
already
and for
high,
Akansha, it was कितना 50,000 करना था? So वहाँ पे favoritism.
Yeah.
Was-
See, that's what I was talking about.
Hmm.
But never mind. Whatever it is, it is.
Yeah, but it was evident. I mean, like,
Yeah, it was evident.
It was
Because
evident.
they wanted Goresh and Akansha to play together. Simple words, I know it.
Okay. Simran.
Simran is dancer. She dances really well.
Yeah. Kyra.
Kyra is प्यार में अंधी. I would give her that.
Still?
I've seen her, no? That's what I'm saying.
Okay.
She's a very... She gave her everything to that relationship.
Okay. Niharika.
Non-existent.
Khushi.
Girl.
Preet.
My girlfriend, my heart, my everything.
Last but not the least, Anushka.
Queen with a K. but non-existent for me again.
Oh fuck, nice, yeah, nice. This was really good, yeah. Liked it,
So much
loved it. It was really fun. And what do you want to say to your audience? What?
I already said a lot of things, but thank you so much for whatever love, hate. I know you all have given it to me, but keep supporting. This is me, and I will still be somebody who is a gem of a person. I'll still continue to be that. But thank you so much for always supporting me. Keep supporting me throughout my life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Zalak, for coming. And this is just a
wow.
small gift from our
Thank
end to you.
I love gifts. I love gifts.
And for you guys, follow Zalak on her Instagram. If she's on YouTube, find her and subscribe to that channel as well. Follow us on Instagram and subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. जहाँ पे मिले प्यार पिलाओ, Zalak को सिर्फ प्यार दो, गंद नहीं देने का तुम लोगों को यार. She's
Look at
just
my baby face.
yeah, she's so sweet, genuinely so sweet. And support her wherever that she is, and support us as well. And thank you so much for watching. And share love.
Bye.
Bye.